there's some during those songs we had some shots fired. I think we see some of the culprits up here. Actually, I seen before I came in, some of these people had old-fashioned guns. I think they're Remingtons or something like that. But very often the shots here, the demonstration shots here, are powder shots.
It was. Somebody has to.
You scared the life out of us.
Back to be frightened. Shame on you. He's up for the day?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Where'd you come from? Too bad then you live down the corner.
Yeah. What kind of firearms are you using?
This is a Mosin Nagant.
Oh, right. Oh, a spring loader.
A bolt action.
Yeah.
So it has 5-round capacity magazine. So you
Right.
put 5 bullets in there.
Yeah.
So we close it, that pushes a bullet in, it's ready to fire.
Yeah.
When you open it, it grabs the empty case, flings
And
it
flings
away.
it out. Yeah.
Next one's ready to go.
Yeah. And how far back does that date back to?
This pattern is 1890.
Right.
So the design of the rifle was 1890. This particular one's 1943.
Yeah. See, they even brought the wood right up right up the bar, like.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now this is the firearm of the Imperial Russian Army.
Yeah.
And the Russian Army in the Second World War.
Yeah.
It was meant to be phased out before the Second World War, but because of the war, they kept it in.
Yeah.
They couldn't do production. So these are, I think it's 9030 is the model.
Right.
I think it's 90. But they were remodeled in the 30s.
Yeah.
Basically, this part used to be a sort of a hexagon shape.
All right.
So they rounded it.
Yeah.
To save money.
Yeah.
Didn't need that extra steps in the machining.
Yeah.
Just make it round.
Yeah.
It's a lot cheaper. The carbine version comes to about here in
Yeah.
length. It is fitted with a folding bayonet, so the bayonet is actually permanently attached to the rifle.
All right.
Spring.
Right.
Style spring.
Yeah.
The Russian weapons were unique in that when a gun is being fired, if you put a bayonet on it, it throws your shot off.
With the weight. Yeah.
Because not even so much the weight, when the gases come out with the bullet, they hit the bayonet
All right.
and push the hole
All right.
ever so slightly.
Yeah.
So guns are sighted without a bayonet.
Yeah.
Russian guns are the opposite.
Yeah.
Russians didn't usually give scabbards with the bayonets, they were always attached to the rifles.
Yeah.
So the little post there is
Yeah.
usually offset ever so
All right.
slightly
Yeah.
to
To
compensate
compensate for it. Yeah. Wow.
We'll try.
We'll keep an eye out for.
Now this has been playing up since yesterday, so it may or may not fire.
Yeah. And these are just powder shots.
They're just blank rounds.
Yeah. All right. Was it basically that just splits open and the powder goes out?
Yeah, it's an extra piece of metal attached to the case, and that acts like a bullet, so that helps with loading. It guides the bullet, actually guides
Yeah.
itself in.
Yeah.
So I go in there.
Be aware, headphone users. It's kind of awkward, but I'm sort of okay, sort of thing. This is going to be pretty loud, folks. That's if it goes. Fuck. Oh. That was a ringing in the ears. Wow.